Hello YouTube, this is my Mushy Monster play. Hope you enjoy, starting off with Iggy. What to do today? Let's just bounce to the Iggy Kingdom. I mean, not Iggy Kingdom, Mushy Kingdom, of course. Off I go. Boing. Pause. Just to say that if you hear anyone in the background, don't worry. I'm pause 2. Wahoo! Hey, what's this big crowd? Move. Move, Rocky. Move, Mini Ben. Move, Slickums. Move all of you. You're not going to move. I'll make you move. Move. So what's in the middle here? Oh my god. It's Ultra Rares. It's Ultra Rare. I got an Ultra Rare. I got one. Whoop. Don't punch me. Then again, I used to be an Ultra Rare. But then again, Ultra Rares! But I was purple in them days. Okay, get over myself. Okay, while he was trying to trash them, the gloves were spying on them. Oh, look at them moshes. Always having fun. But Iggy looks like... Shut up! But still, Iggy looks like he's trying to beat him up. You're right. But that's only the Ultra Rares, because he's mad on them. But still, they're always having fun. Why? Shut up. I think he's kind of cute. Shut up! Squiff. You're just fish lips. They're squiffs. Okay, go back to the car. I'm gonna go get them. See how they like it. Ooh. Double glove. Oh, dang. I'm going home. You guys can go there. I'm staying here. I guess I'll go. That hurt. Moon? Well, this is what we're gonna do. Oh, you Muslims, you keep watching. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna invade all your city. Got that? You might want to think, but I go. I got it, I'm ready. Ow. Okay, he's dead. Okay. They're gonna take over our city. No worries, the Ultra Rares will save you. Let me just get the box. Roxy sticker. Just say Ultra Rare, get in this box when I say go. So I put this paper out. Okay. Very Ultra Rare, go. Oh yeah, and rares, not just Ultra Rares. Yeah. Wally! Sherman! You are not an Ultra Rare! Get Sherman! Go! I'm just a Sherman! Sherman. I don't even know if I'm a rare or an Ultra Rare, because I came with an egg, so I never win.
No.
You heard my mommy. She's telling off doggies. I'm in a rare. I can never stand up. I'm just helping them. Me, same as Dustbin Beaver. Well up, bang bang boo bong. Hi, don't eat me. I'm just helping. And plus, the big box has my sticker on it. I'm doing the same with Roxy said, but I don't have the sticker. Ultra rare. I guess I should come, because I'm ultra rare. Okay, one more rare and that's it done. But not tense. Okay, and now, to get in that box and go with the flow. Okay, in you go. Boing. I came in a shell too. Now that we're here, we can go help Monstro City upstairs. Okay? I hope you enjoyed YouTube. Stay clear from washing. Be warned, the glumps will get you. See YouTube. Look for season 2. Next 2 on Mushy Monsters Play. The glumps will get you. Bye YouTube. I enjoyed.